What's up guys, your Biglee here. When we talk about biceps, barbell curls are inevitable. Barbell curls, you hold the bar straight, and for some people, because of their biceps and forearm insertions, keeping the palm straight like this hurts their wrist. That's why the EZ bars were created with a slight tilt inwards on the bar. This enables you to focus more on the biceps without placing any load on the wrist. The rules are simple. Curl the heavy bars for 8 to 12 rep range for 3 to 4 sets to get complete simulation of your biceps. The simple thing is, when you hold the bar, some people don't hold it right and they are not closing their fingers. So always make sure the bar's points are forward facing. You are holding the grip firm. Curl, stretch, curl, stretch, curl and stretch. The most important thing is, do not use momentum. Use your biceps strictly to see those gains. Yes. That was a very good set. Until I see you on the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.